Okay, next step, I need to attach the big tall long bolts to the frame. Problem is I need to figure out where those run and how I'm going to get them to drill through there. So, what do we know? Okay, there is a hole, not there. There's a hole, not there. Somehow, some way, does it come through here and then through there? I don't think it goes through, doesn't go through this one because there's already bolts holding it to that. There's got to be something that goes through here and there. And there's got to be something that goes through here up into there. I don't know, did you guys see that? So here, up through there. Here, up through there. Here, up through there. Looks like I got to do a little bit of finagling to get those in place. All right, let me look and see how I can get this stuff in place, and then I'll get back with you. Ow! Okay, I got all of, the box lined up with all of the holes. And then I drilled a hole from the bottom here, there, there. Tiny one right there, because that's all I could get to. There, and there. So now I need to drill those out bigger so that I can fit these bolts with these washers on top. So I went and grabbed the second biggest drill bit I got, this 3/8. And then I wanted to know, okay, is this going to work with those bolts? So I grabbed a washer. And if I hold on to this right, this drill bit does go through the washer. So it's probably going to work because it doesn't go through the nut. So, alright, I'm going to drill out the rest of the holes with this 3/8 drill bit, and then we'll start attaching, maybe. Okay, all of them drilled straight through, no problem, except for this one. So something adjusted when I set it down on the ground, so now I got to take this back in the air and figure out why this is not lined up anymore. So, alright, see you in a bit. Okay, made a little adjustment underneath there, and now it fits. Okay, now it's time to put all of the bolts in from the top, and then we'll snug them down from below. Okay, I have them all seated from the top. Now I need to just bolt them down from the bottom and we'll be good to go. Alright, so this thing has regular washers, lock washers, and 9/16 nuts. So let's just go put those back on. Houston, we have a problem. These washers are way too small for that hole. All they do is slip in behind it, or inside of it. I'm gonna have to find something bigger than this to fill that hole. Wonder if my old ones are still around somewhere. I know there's a reason why I saved my old parts. Look at these washers, they're much bigger than the new ones. We're gonna use those. Alright. Now that is much better. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to tighten those down with those big washers in there. Okay guys, I got all of these tightened down. Those two there. That one up there. That one over there. And then back here on the top half of the frame on the back side. Those two there. So that should take care of it. Alright guys, there she is, all buttoned up. Now I can, I think I'm ready for plates if I get the gumption to put plates on it this year. I don't know. But I think it's roadworthy enough that I could take it out for a drive. Talk to you guys later. Oh wait, I'm forgetting a few things. Got to put the spare back on. I need a rear view mirror, or the side mirror, and I need my windshield wipers put back on. Then maybe it'd be roadworthy. Okay, well, we'll see. Got more work to do.